I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to recover a deleted project in the CapCut mobile app on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Importantly, you'll only be able to recover a deleted project for up to 7 days after you delete it. After 7 days passes, you'll no longer be able to recover a deleted CapCut project. Step 1. Start the process by tapping Library in the menu along the bottom of the screen. The CapCut Library menu opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu until you get to the More section and then tap Trash. Step 3. Tap the vertical ellipses next to the CapCut project you want to restore and then tap Restore. That project will be fully restored to your list of CapCut projects. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.